Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here at the Dodge County Antique and Power Show. And there it is, folks. The Case 150, the largest steam tractor. Check out the size of the width of these tires. It is amazing. Yeah, this is owned by Corey Anderson. This is the famous GI Case Eagle on top of the world. Racine. Excuse me. There's a picture of this beast. See how big it is, you know, wheels with these young men here. Comparison. Yeah, she's a beast. Here's the front of it. Case Thrashing Machine Company, Racine, Wisconsin. It has steering on there with the chain steer. Side view of it. They're having a little fun with this thing today. They're giving some rides to these people and these kids and stuff on there.
We got lunch on the way. We're supposed to leave the parade at 1 o'clock in front of the Red House. So that's our next 45 minutes. But we can pull it all the way around there and unhook it. Yeah.
They're hauling some stuff on here with this. They got some wood on here they're hauling, and another wagon they're giving people rides on, a couple more wagons. Just a small demonstration of the power of the mighty Case 150, folks. There it is here in Beaver Dam, Wisconsin.